All right, getting in more details from the Mahakumbh, the great festival of divinity turned into a tragic sight. Remember, on the 29th of January in the wee hours of the morning, with the deadly stampede, the Mahakumbh in Uttar Pradesh's Prayagraj killed 30 devotees and left over 60 severely injured. A three-member judicial panel is reaching Mahakumbh today to investigate the cause of the stampede. Amid all of this, a plea has been filed in the Supreme Court demanding more safety at the Mahakumbh. The plea also demands regulation of VIP movement at the Triveni Sangam. Exclusive satellite images accessed by us reveal massive rush and congestion at Sangam Nose on the day of the stampede. More news coming in now. Akhilesh Yadav is doubting the death numbers from Mahakumbh. He says the Yogi government is hiding the actual figures. The government should reveal the actual figures, is what he said. What is being told to us is not correct.
बजट की बात तो बाद में होगी। ये सत्र और आज का दिन कुंभ में जिन लोगों की जान गई है उनके शांति के लिए जरूर बात रखी जाए। और दूसरा, उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार, उनके मुख्यमंत्री नैतिक रूप से तो जा चुके हैं, राजनीतिक रूप से कब जाएंगे ये बड़ा सवाल है। जिन लोगों की जान गई है भगदड़ में, सरकार संख्या छिपा रही है और सरकार इसलिए संख्या छिपा रही है क्योंकि उन्हें मुआवजा न देना पड़े।
All right. In fact, you heard there from Akhilesh Yadav talking about the fact that because the government does not want to compensate all the victims and hence they're playing down on the actual numbers of the people who've died in the stampede that has taken place. Not one but two stampedes that had occurred is what Akhilesh Yadav has said, that the numbers are actually more. The government is now hiding these actual numbers given the fact that they have to give compensation to the kin of those victims, and that's the reason why the actual numbers are not being revealed. Akhilesh Yadav there, Samajwadi Party leader and the chief of the Samajwadi Party essentially, saying that the Yogi Adityanath government is hiding the actual death figures from Mahakumbh Prayagraj. Referring to the stampede that took place in Prayagraj, he is saying the actual numbers are much more. Piyush is getting in more details. The opposition has been raising this for a while now, given that independent reports also indicate that the actual figures could be way higher than what is being said by the government, isn't it, Piyush?
Well, absolutely, Sneha, we are announcing as to how massive politics is taking place on the Kumbh tragedy, where now the opposition is asking answers from Uttar Pradesh government. Akhilesh Yadav, who is also Samajwadi Party president, is saying that the actual number of deaths in Kumbh stampede is much higher than what is being told by the government. Though the government has released an official data, but the opposition is not listening to what the government is saying. Remember that when the incident had taken place at the time, also not only Akhilesh Yadav but also various political parties including Congress, BSP and many others had lashed out at UP government, and this time now Akhilesh Yadav is saying that the figure is much higher than what is being quoted by the government. The entire issue is also likely to be resoluted in ongoing budget session, where opposition is likely to seek answers from the central government also on the entire incident.
Right, leaving it at that for the moment. Piyush Mishra getting us those details as far as the statement of Akhilesh Yadav is concerned, raising questions on the actual death toll in the stampedes that broke out in Prayagraj Mahakumbh.